Hi there. Welcome to Zoho Connect. Managing people in a growing organization can get complicated. But what if you could instantly identify moderators, team leads, partners, or beta testers across your network? With user labels in Zoho Connect, you can organize and recognize members using customizable profile labels. What are user labels? User labels are customizable tags that help identify members based on their role, responsibility, or category within your network. These labels appear next to users' names across Connect, making it easier for everyone to recognize key members instantly. Let's see how to create a user label. First, click the gear icon from the right side menu and select Settings. Under Users and Controls, select User Profile Label. Now, click Create Label. In the pop-up, enter a label name, choose a color, and add a description. Select the profile fields you want to associate with the label. Check the live preview while you customize the label. Once done, click Create. And that's it. Your label is ready to use. Now that the label is created, let's assign it to users. Click Add User icon arrows. To assign a label, click the Add User icon beside the label. Choose the users you want to assign the label to and click Assign. You can also import users in bulk using a file that contains their email addresses. This is especially useful for large enterprises or communities with multiple departments. You might think where these labels will appear. Labels become visible across the network in areas like user profile pages, post headers beside comments and replies, and even when users hover over a member's profile picture. User labels are easy to manage anytime. You can edit existing labels, change color and description, enable or disable labels, or delete labels completely. If a label is disabled, it will no longer appear on user profiles until it's enabled again. And if a label is deleted, it will automatically be removed from all assigned users. To learn more about Zoho Connect features, visit the Zoho Connect Help Center. Thanks for watching.